Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to view active devices on Netflix app. To do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app, open it, of course, and of course you should have an account. After that, click on My Netflix on the bottom right of the screen. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on the third option, Account. Wait for a few seconds. And after that, scroll down until you find Access and Devices. Click on it. And here you will find all the devices that connected to your account and have access to your account. So to disconnect any device from them, you have just to click on it, and after that click on sign out, and like that you will disconnect that device from your Netflix account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in